Hello, today we are unboxing this red ROG Harpe 2 Ace mouse, which is the latest addition in this lineup. As maybe you have seen, this summer we unboxed and reviewed two of the models previously launched, which were in white and black, and now ASUS has come up with the red version. So let's check it out, let's open the box and let's see what the mouse looks like. Like with the previous versions, it has these stickers, security stickers at the back, which need to be removed, and then we can open the box. The box itself looks pretty familiar, apart from the obviously red mouse on the back and the front side. Let's open it. And here we are greeted with the red mouse. Everything else in the packaging is basically the same, but let's check it out. Maybe ASUS has also provided us with the red cable. Yes, they have. So the red cable is here. It's braided and it's got a black rubber around it. Maybe it should have been red also. Let's check the content. This is the USB Type-C to Type-A adapter, and it's also black. Let's check out what else here. What else is here? Let's check what else is here. Okay. Here we have the additional feet for the mouse and also black stickers. The black will look good on the red. That's the right choice. There's some Ace stickers, a warranty card, and also this is a quick setup guide. So the mouse itself is nice and red. The color is a little bit lighter and it looks really nice. The bottom is black. Here we have the ROG receiver. As usual, there are two buttons and one switch. The switch is for Bluetooth, for wired connection and wireless connection. The mouse head is very light. It has only 48 grams. It's got Aimpoint Pro optical sensor with 42,000 dpi. It also has ROG optical micro switches, and the wireless connection is SpeedNova 8K, which is embedded in this mouse. So basically, you've all seen the reviews of the Harpe 2 Ace gaming mouse, and this is its red version for everyone who likes and enjoys the red color. The mouse is great for gaming. It's very light. It's got nice rubberized surface, and if you don't have enough grip, then you can add those rubbery stickers around it and the grip will be much better. Oh yeah, and the forward and backward buttons are black. The black, like we said, goes well on the red color and it looks good. Also the ROG insignia is also black on the mouse itself. So if you like this red version, you may choose it over the white and the black one. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.